Guys, before that, Technoblade is real. This is real. Ay.
Hey, what you doing, bro?
Oh, yo. Wow. This is Technoblade. This is Never Die. He named Alexander. And before that, he said, guys, he said, now I'm happy. You know, YouTubers is so many and so many. This is really what, guys. This is really, be careful for that.